the 6-piece Bee Lip Balm Honey Pot set. It is immediately visually appealing, compact, neatly packaged, and I love the thoughtful design. Each pot has its own unique flavor, and there is an included applicator inside, which makes the whole set feel so clean and organized. The moisture level with testing is very impressive. It softened dry lips quickly and left them smooth without feeling greasy or heavy. The applicator is genuinely useful. It keeps the application hygienic and prevents you from digging your finger into the product. The scents are light and pleasant. Watermelon, cherry, so nice. Peppermint. They're not overwhelming, just simple flavors that make the product so enjoyable to use. And the set is extremely gift friendly. You can individually give these out, or you could give them all as one gift. But the final verdict, this is an easy one to recommend. It works well, keeps the lips hydrated day and night, and the presentation is definitely more elevated than a standard lip balm. I would purchase this again and again for myself and for gift giving. Practical, effective, and nicely packaged.